Walking down the street, and you're with your fourth granny. We're on a walk. Y'all make sure to get your walks in. You know, if you want to start a YouTube channel, go on and do it. Take the risk and walk through fear. Try to stay in the middle, though, and make eye engagement. I'm filming on the wrong part of the day, so I'll catch y'all later. There's certain hours a day when you want to be filming your YouTube videos, and right now is not the time because the sun is too bright. In a moment, I'll tell you when it is a good time. Good time to make a video, either dusk or dawn. Right now, it's in the middle of the day. And when I'm talking about middle, try to stay in the middle of your camera. A&W today. I already had my Red Bull. I sure did. But I'm here. I'm on schedule. I can't see hardly nothing. Let me put this down. I make videos for you guys. Hopefully I can get you to pick up your camera, walk through any fears you might have.
Yes.
Hello, friend.
And speak
Hello.
to everyone. At first, your video will be thrown to maybe 1,000 people, perhaps. Well, for sure. And then, as you go, the algorithm will throw you out to maybe 400 people. And then the numbers go up as time goes on, because YouTube is a platform that takes time, lots of time. It took me many years, to get where I'm at. But I learned. It took time. I had to show up, for many years before I learned about scheduling, before I learned about editing properly. You should have seen my messy edits, but they were fun. They were fun, y'all. I love editing just like I love plants. It's like a seed. You want to plant your seed. Woo. Now, all these are plants that have had a long time. Money tree, yeah. I grow. And as far as growing, if you can grow a plant, you can grow anything. After you get the plant, buy a fish. And if you can do the fish, well, surprise, surprise. Surprises will come out. I was just at the store. I'm gonna have a session when we're done. Yeah, right now it's our session, my session with you. Soon, I'm going to have one-on-one sessions for you all to enjoy. Us together. As a crew, as a team. One-on-one sessions with your fourth granny. I'm trying to get my jacket off. It's not easy. One-handed. Yeah, one-handed. You have to do a lot with one hand. Just a minute. Back. I said just a minute and it would snap, wasn't it? YouTube's fast. YouTube is, a place where I grew and grew and grew. When I got to learn you, you're here because you want to grow too, right? You're here because you have a voice as well. So, if you think you're in the right place, subscribe today. Most of you are not subscribed. 69% of you, well, I haven't looked today, are unsubscribed. So, subscribe. If you want to hang out with this crew. And with that, I'm going to say toodaloo, toodaloo. Good vibes to y'all. Be friendly to each other. Be kind to each other. And remember, you shine. Check this video out. See you soon.